This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by NICOLA. Welcome to this brand new, never lived in 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, townhome. Enter this beautiful home on the first floor as an open floor plan of all tile, a spacious kitchen with all the major appliances and a generous pantry. Moving into the dining area, a large countertop for a few stools to sit and chat with the chef. The large living room leads out to a private screened lanai for your enjoyment, as well as a private storage room to keep those outdoor items. The first floor also has a half bath available for your guests. Upstairs, this lovely home is equipped with its own laundry room. The primary bedroom has a ceiling fan and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, as well as a walk-in closet. The second bedroom has a ceiling fan and ensuite bathroom as well, making it perfect for roommates or as an office or den. Don't miss out on this rental.